I've been eyeballing this Mr. Cloud. It's a juice store at the Hauptbahnhof. Try it out today. It's $5.20. Not worth the price. Another long day, another video coming your way. Just finished another session of color grading, Final Cut Pro, this time with Armin, aka Bella.
This is YouTube Franken.
Check the rhythm and rise while I'm bending them.
The train that I was going to catch about an hour ago got canceled, so I sat here and I got some food. This is mine?
Yeah.
Danke schön. Just having to eat. And I'm looking at the footage, I didn't really shoot much today. I did do a lot of coding. Patrick, this guy who I work with, cleared up some of the stuff that I needed to get my project working. And I think now I got a better understanding. What's really nice is the pace is moving faster, so I feel more productive. So that was a really good help. Patrick, thank you so much. Found a cabin all for myself. This fan going in and it's totally going to ruin the audio again. Today a friend of mine posted on Facebook, it's been 7 years. Let me check this out. 7 years ago I did a video with a song from a friend, a guy who I know from here in Nuremberg. Very cool dubstep DJ and music producer. Tuesday's video was with a song, a remix of a song made by my friend IXUS. It's just been really nice to sort of see this collaboration and exchange. I'm really grateful for the people that I've been able to meet, and I'm very happy that with this week, not only did I learn something new, but I also ensured that with the 5 days that I was here in Nuremberg, did something of value for myself. There's 5 videos. It's not over yet. Tomorrow, Crazy Nates for lunch. That's going to be really exciting.
Check the rhythm and rise while I'm bending them.